This is a story of surviving in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean in the world, a place filled with many memories and history. On a quiet morning in January 2018, the MV Butiraoi prepared for another routine journey. From the island of Nonouti to Betio, Tarawa, a route familiar to families, students, workers, and elders. The sea was calm. The sky was gentle. Nothing in this moment suggested danger. Loading day, for the people of Nonouti, this ferry was more than a boat. It was connection. It was lifeline. It was home in motion. Below the deck, a powerful visual collage, showing the hidden problems aboard MV Butiraoi before departure. 2 hours after the final crates were loaded, the MV Butiraoi pulled away. Against the infinite horizon of the Pacific, the boat felt like a mere speck. MV Butiraoi battling towering waves, heavy rain, and fierce winds in the open ocean. The storm has arrived. MV Butiraoi breaking apart in the stormy ocean. The center is split, the bow is rising, and the stern is sinking, the exact moment when everything changes. For days, the survivors drifted, carried by currents, sun, and hope. The ocean that had taken so much now kept them alive. Debris floated around them. A barrel. A jerry can. A torn life jacket. Reminders of the vessel that was no more. Then, on the horizon, a fishing boat appeared. A small shape at first. Then a promise. Then salvation. 7 were found. Dozens were not. Their stories remain with the sea. A quiet ocean at sunset, with a single floating candle drifting on a woven raft. The flame flickers gently, casting a golden path across the water toward the horizon. This is the perfect closing tribute, peaceful, respectful, and deeply symbolic.